Hey guys, what's up? On our last unboxing, we unboxed the Radeon 7 Special Edition, the 50th Anniversary Edition, and a lot of people noticed, not in that video, but in a lot of videos prior to this one, people have noticed this ginormous box that stands right behind me, which is now populated by my Radeon 7, and they've also noticed there's another one on top of the shelves, and they noticed that Vega liquid cooled behind me, and they've noticed the two boxes, but not the second Vega, so they were like, where is it? Well, here it is. It's been in this box this whole time. Now, this one is a used Vega. That one's a new one. This one is a used liquid-cooled Vega, but it is new in box. Well, as in, is in its box, and I haven't really unboxed it, except for a while ago. But I thought I'd do a newer unboxing with my whole new setup and everything going on, so let's just unbox it. I know I've been doing kind of these quick videos recently, where I talk in a really weird tone. I don't know why. It's just my natural tone when I'm trying to unbox things. Well, I'm excited to have this out of its box finally. I've been waiting to just unbox it. It's because all of my camera batteries, camera chip, and everything else, and all of my effort and everything, and a lot of my time, first of all, has been going into work, and second of all, has been going to a huge project I've been working on. A lot of my money, too. Okay, this box sucks. I've unboxed one of these before. And this box sucks. Wow, that's loud. And it comes in this giant brown box. But yeah, that box, I hate getting it out. Now, for the size of this card, it comes in the world's biggest brown box. Now, it's kind of justified, but kind of not really. Man, I haven't had one of these unboxed in a while. Man, it's beautiful. So it is wrapped up nicely. But, wow. If that ain't a beautiful card. Even with the little... It's got some scratches on it. The Radeon logo's got a little bit of... whatever that is. Redage going on. With that... this is one problem with the radiators. They make the card, like, super unbalanced sometimes. Nothing else in there. It's just the card. They make the card extremely unbalanced sometimes. And they tip over. I have dropped one of these on video. I would get the clip, but I can't find it. I know, it's got a little... Even with scratches, this is one of my favorite graphics cards. I can't really decide between this and... Let me grab the other one. I mean, the Radeon 7 Special Edition is just so nice. But before I knew about this one, the Vega 64, even the fan model, but the liquid cooled, it has nothing on the front except for the Vega logo and just sleek brushed aluminum or brushed silver, I don't know. Just this color with the red accents is just amazing. And I wanted to unbox this card just to basically brag about this card. It does have one pretty thick 120mm AIO, which can be mounted in like any case, though that can be mounted in any case. This card, trust me, does not fit in every case. Some of my NZXT cases, actually, this part is too wide that the glass barely closes and you're like smashing it anyway. I was originally going to put two of these in my Thermaltake Tower 900 build, and just to make the ultimate overpowered, obnoxiously useless PC, but I just wanted to get it done at some point, so I put it in R9 Fury X, which we'll be revisiting again in a later video. But I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing, because I do want to keep getting videos out while working on these humongous project. Like, it's a big... For a small channel, this is a much bigger project. I haven't seen it really done. I've seen smaller versions of it done on both websites and some channels, but I'm going all out with this. I'll try to make it a huge series where I review each and every product as part. It's a product thing. It's giant. I've been working on getting every single piece for about a month now, and I have to wait till January 15th to get some more pieces, but whatever. Thought I'd do some unboxings, and this is just, I want to put this up as decoration somewhere. I've been using these shelves as storage, and the ones behind me as decoration with all the boxes, and I don't know if I have room for this. I'll have to figure out. I do want to use two of these cards in a system, though, just to show you guys how Crossfire has been completely killed. Well, I don't have two of any other AMD cards. I have one Radeon 7, and I have two of these Vega 64s, so I do have two 1080 Ti's, but they're not SLIing anytime soon with just the way they are. Although I could try to jerry-rig something up with a PCIe extender. They're just different sizes, which kind of ruins it. But basically, just wanted to unbox this card. This is a Vega 64 liquid cooled. It's one of my favorite graphics cards. I don't know if this overtakes it. It might. And let me just grab This is also one of my favorite graphics cards. Now we're talking about it. This is the ROG 1080 Ti Poseidon. It's got air and liquid cooling. You can switch between them. I believe there's a switch. I'm going to look really stupid if there isn't. And I'm not sure there is. It might be a BIOS thing. Am I dumb? Could have sworn there was. I bet there's a switch on here somewhere. I'm just probably an idiot. There. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and say, of course, there's probably a switch on here. And I'm just really stupid. And can't find it. Whatever. This is my Poseidon. I got this for about $450 a while ago. But that's not what the video's about. You'll notice it's on our project table. That table over there, there's a new table I just got. That's my project table. So that's a little bit of the surprise. That's the point. Hope you guys kind of enjoy this little unboxing. I know I'm out of breath. It's rushed. I'm just trying to get videos out, but I don't know. I love this card and I love making videos with it. And any excuse to make one, even if it's just unboxing for 5 minutes, I'll take it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.